Hello guys, kumusta kayong lahat? This time, pag-uusapan lang natin itong immigration detention ni Kuya Max. So, nabasa ko tong article. Detained green card holder who came to the US as a child released from ICE. ICE is yung immigration, custom enforcement. Okay? That's what it means when I talk about ICE. Now, disclaimer, hindi ako immigration lawyer. Pero may alam ako dito kasi I work with a lot of people dati na yung iba sa kanila walang mga papel. Okay? So, may alam ako dito and as a resident card holder before na nagkaroon ng citizenship ngayon, may experience ako sa mga, yun nga, sa immigration. Kasi ako, nag-file din ako ng citizenship. So I like yung mga ganitong topic. Lalo na ngayon, Trump is really strict sa immigration. So there's a lot of things we can learn from this. And paalala na rin sa mga Pilipino at sa mga Pilipina na resident dito sa US, do not commit a crime. Do not commit a crime. Be a good citizen. Okay, so ito nga siya. Sasabihin ko lang sa inyo yung mga importanteng stuff. So ito. So Londonio, a 42-year-old Olympia, Washington resident who was born in the Philippines and came to the US when he was 12, was detained by CBP officers at Seattle-Tacoma International Airport on May 15. Upon return from a trip to the Philippines. He was celebrating his 20th wedding anniversary with his wife, Crystal. Okay? So he was detained May 15. And he was recently released. He also have 3 daughters, all of whom are US citizens. And this is his job, a lead forklift operator. Okay? And show, that's him right here. Londonio had previously non-violent convictions, including grand theft. Tinignan ko to sa Washington. This is a felony. You can actually get deported doing this. Ito pa lang, kasi dalawang kaso niya grand theft and meron pang isa But just this one, I think this is a felony. Kasi tinignan ko to kanina it says it's a felony. And if you have a felony and you're a green card holder, you can really get deported. Kahit na it's been fully resolved, you can still get deported. That's in your record. So, ito nga sabi ng DOH, Department of Homeland Security. Maximo Londono has a criminal record including convictions of grand theft and the use of a controlled substance. Under federal immigration law, a lawful permanent resident convicted of these types of crime can lose their legal status and be removed. You are lucky na hindi ka na-deport. Ito pa nga, ito pa. Custom and Border Protection Statement. Having a criminal history does not make you an upstanding lawful permanent resident. Possessing a green card is a privilege, not a right. Under our nation's law, our government has the authority to revoke your green card. Tanggalin ang iyong green card if our laws are broken and abused. In addition to immigration removal proceedings, lawful permanent resident card presenting at a U.S. port of entry with previous criminal conviction, so convicted ka, may be subject to mandatory detention. Ito nga yun nga ang sabi ko like, you are lucky na pinakawalan ka. Because yung pa lang, ito pa lang, yung grand theft na yan, that's a felony. Wala ka na dito. You are out. You are kicked out of the US. Yeah, he is lucky na hindi. Mhm. So, ibig sabihin nga nito, if you have a criminal history and you kaya yung mga may mga resident card na labas-pasok lang dito sa US, you go back to the Philippines, you come back here, lalo na pag may pag may criminal history kayo, you should just stay here. Kung ayaw niyong ma-deport. And get your US citizenship. Talk to a lawyer or what. Get it done. I got mine when Obama was the president. And Obama was strict. Obama was strict sa immigration. But Trump, this time, is even stricter. So, yep. Yun lang naman. You guys be careful and peace out. Oops, and recording.